दिलीप टिपुडे सर ओनली मॅथमॅटिक्स या चॅनलमध्ये आपले सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. टुडे वी कॅन बी सी रियल नंबर्स, set of real numbers. Firstly we can be set of natural numbers, and natural number set will be denoted by capital N. Natural number set will be denoted by capital N, that will be equal to 1 2 3 4 and so on. Suppose we can be take here any two numbers, addition or subtraction. Addition, then suppose 1 plus 2, that will be 3. Suppose subtraction, 3 minus 2, that will be 1 here, but 3 minus 3 is not present here. Then take another set, that will be set of a whole number. 3 minus 3, that will be 0, and 0 is present in here. Set of whole numbers, and set of whole numbers can be denoted by letter capital W, will be equal to 0 1 2 3 and so on, curly bracket completed. This set is called as set of whole numbers. Then here we can be take here 3 minus 3 will be present here. Suppose 2 minus 1 will be present here, but 1 minus 2, its answer that will be minus 1. Minus 1 is not present here. Then we can be take here another set, that will be set of integers, and denoted by letter capital I, and its elements will be 0 1 2 3 and so on, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. Positive integers, positive, negative integers, and here 0 number. This set is called as set of integers, Then we can be take here, suppose a division, 2 upon 1, its answer will be 2 is present here, but we can be take here 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 will be present here, but 1 divided by 2 is not present here. Then here another set, that will be set of a rational number. Rational number set Q will be denoted by letter Q. Rational number set will be denoted by letter capital Q. P upon Q form. P belongs to I. Similarly, Q belongs to I, but Q is not equal to 0 because of Q is in a denominator. We can't write Q will be equal to 0. Then Q is not equal to 0. Set is called as a rational number set. Then we can be take here example. Write following rational numbers in a decimal form. Following rational numbers in a decimal form. First number will be 3 upon 8. We can be take here first number, that will be 3 upon 8. Then 3 upon 8. 3 is less than 8. Then we can be take here 0. Then that will be 30. And 30 divided by 8. Then here 0.30 divided by 8, answer will be 24. 8 multiply 3, that will be equal to 24. Then remainder here 0 minus 4, that will be 6, and here 0. Take another 0 will be here. 60 divided by 8, answer will be 7. Then that will be 56. 8 multiply 7, 56, minus 56, and 60 minus 56. Remainder will be 4. Then take another 0. 40 divided by 8, answer will be 5, and answer here 40. 8 multiply 5, that will be 40, and remainder will be 0. And we can be write here answer 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8, that will be equal to 0.375. 0.375. Then here similarly we can take here another example. 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11 we can take here. Then 2 divide by 11. 2 divide by 11. 2 is a less than 11. Then we can take here a 0. Then here will be 20 divided by 11. Firstly we can take here 0. Then 0.20 divided by 11. Then here quotient will be 1. Quotient will be 1. We can write here 11. 11 multiply 1, 11. Then subtract 20 minus 11, that will be equal to 9. Take another 0 here. Another 0 here. 90 divided by 11. Its quotient will be equal to 8. 8. Then 11 multiply 8, that will be equal to 88. 88. And 90 minus 88, that will be equal to 2. Remainder will be equal to 2. Then suppose we can take another 0. Then that will be 20. Similarly 18, 18 and so on. And its quotient will be 2 upon 11 will be equal to 0.18, 18, 18 and so on. 18, 18 and so on. Such type of quotient will be here, or we can be write in another form. 2 upon 11, that will be equal to 0.1818. We can be write this type also. 0.18 recurring. Read as 0.18 recurring. Then we can be take here such a type of numbers terminating decimal form. Terminating decimal form. This number will be terminating. This number will be terminating because of here remainder will be 0 and 0.375, that will be terminating decimal form, or such type of numbers. For example 3.7, 4.976, such type of numbers called as terminating decimal form. And another form will be equal to non-terminating decimal form. Non-terminating one. This number 0.1818 and so on. This number will be non-terminating recurring form. Recurring number. 18 number will be a recurring number. 0.1818 and so on. Or another number we can be take here. 0.421. 421 number will be recurring. 421 number will be recurring form. Then this number is called as non-terminating recurring form. If you have liked this video, like and subscribe the channel. Share other students also. Thank you very much.